Hello guys, Clever Money is back with another video on a simple approach to generating money. In today's video, we will discuss a trading strategy known as scalping. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and switch on our notifications if you haven't already, so you don't miss any of our stuff. With that out of the way, let's get started. Scalping cryptocurrency trading may be a high-risk, high-reward strategy provided you have the right tools and understanding. Scalping is a popular intraday trading method that focuses on profiting from minor price swings. The theory is that by accumulating small but frequent profits during the trading day, a big profit will be generated by the conclusion of the day. Scalpers, in contrast to day traders, place a greater emphasis on technical analysis than fundamental analysis. Candlestick chart patterns, support and resistance levels, and other technical indicators like Bollinger Bands and Fibonacci retracements will be actively used by crypto scalpers. Although a variety of assets can be employed, many traders choose to scalp cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin because of the frequent price movements. If you are patient and disciplined, scalping in the crypto market might provide good chances. Before you get started, keep in mind that cryptocurrencies are far more volatile than FX, thus, the market will act differently. As a result, your strategies will need to be adjusted. Certain cryptocurrencies are also more volatile than others, posing a high-risk situation. Beginner traders should start with the Bitcoin before going on to more volatile altcoins like Ethereum. Range trading is a popular scalping crypto method that involves tracking price movement between high and low levels over a certain period of time. Until the range is broken, the bottom and top of the range will act as support and resistance respectively, meaning traders will try to buy at support and sell at resistance. The more often a price touches either level, the more probable it is to break. This crypto scalping method can thus be used by traders using a 5-minute period, albeit a stop loss will be required in the event of a breakout. Your primary tool here will be your candlestick chart support and resistance lines, though simple moving averages can also be used as dynamic SR levels. Some scalpers also try to profit from the gap between the bid and ask prices, known as the BidAsk Spread. Any significant discrepancy between the two can be profitable for scalpers. In actuality, the bid-ask spread happens in scalp trading in two ways. First is, a wide bid-ask spread occurs when the asking price is higher than usual and the bid price is lower than usual. This occurs when there are more buyers than vendors, resulting in a price increase. In this case, crypto scalpers will be selling. The second one is a narrow bid-ask spread occurs when the asking price is lower and the bid price is higher than typical. The buyers outweigh the vendors in this scenario. Scalping can be done using a variety of instruments, but the efficiency of each will vary depending on the trader's preferences and expertise. Because automated trading can handle the demanding and high-frequency nature of scalping, it is one of the most common instruments utilized by traders. When scanning the market, crypto bots often use the Relative Strength Index or RSI, support and resistance, and the moving averages. Expert advisors EAs on MetaTrader and CBots on CTrader are two examples of scaling crypto bots that use a different programming language depending on the platform. Bots are frequently connected with cryptocurrency exchanges such as Binance and Kraken. Despite the fact that there are thousands of bots on the market, including popular Bitcoin scalper bots, traders should be wary of frauds in this area. Before you start investing, always read the reviews. Some scalping cryptocurrency traders use market indications to help them decide when to buy and sell. You can pick between managed signals, in which you subscribe to another trader's trades, and totally automated signals, depending on your preferences. Professional traders will use crypto signals to examine current market circumstances and make forecasts on when to purchase or sell. Those who have signed up for these alerts will receive them via email, text message, or smartphone notification. Certain indicators will perform better when used with scaling crypto strategies. Take the moving average convergence divergence or MACD, for example, which is a trend and momentum indicator that tracks the relationship between two moving averages of the asset's price. Because cryptocurrency markets like Bitcoin are ideal for trend following tactics, the MACD is a great example of how you may use an indicator to discover scalping trends and swiftly establish buy or sell signals. This can be combined with your simple moving average or SMA and exponential moving average EMA indicators. Finding the ideal crypto scaling indicators for your trading style may take some time, but once you have mastered the fundamentals, you will be well on your way to scalping success. With little practice and dedication, anyone can use a scalping method for trading cryptocurrencies, regardless of their trading expertise. To begin with, it is simple to automate. Automation, whether in the form of investing bots or signals, works well with scaling crypto methods. Trading can also be free of emotional bias and stress as a result of this. It is also low risk. Scalping cryptos carries a lesser amount of risk than longer-term day trading because you are taking small position sizes. Last but not the least, it is profitable. Traders that have the right mindset and commitment can build up tiny earnings over time, which can add up to a significant profit by the end of the trading session. Before you start trading, whether you are utilizing a 1-minute or 5-minute crypto scalping technique, the quality of your broker should be a top priority. This will influence not only the platform's dependability, but also the costs you pay and the resources you have access to. If you are new to crypto scalping, be aware of the risks and take advantage of any demos or tutorials available. Above all, ensure that you fully comprehend your charting indications, signals, and trading bots. So that is it for today, guys. I hope you learned something from this little tutorial. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to leave a like and hit the subscribe button down below, as well as the bell icon so you can get notified every time there's a new upload. I'll see you guys again next time. Stay safe!